this is wild.
Grab the red, bro. Put it in your fucking safe box. Bro, that 7 hours was well spent, man. Let's fucking go.
For rewards. Find high value items and extract
Perfect spawn! It's a perfect spawn! It's not an awful spawn. It's better than most spawns.
Oh, by the way, Nick, is evac you as well.
Keep the following in mind.
Oh, give me a second for the helicopter.
Evac you as well.
Go
Go
ahead.
back.
A task like this? Leave it to me.
One of you take these, put it in your safe box,
Put that one in the safe box.
and the other one take that one. Put those in your safe boxes.
Yep.
Let's go.
I said this evac you as well, by the way.
Yep, it does. This is 7 hours of hard work, man.
I will sacrifice myself if need be.
Alright. Cover me in this fountain. I need to go drone the inside in case the team that spawned over at thingy has gone straight in.
Other team is still out of Minya.
We're good. Right. Hold on.
I'm just gonna guard the entrance. Let me know when you're closer.
Nah, you come in. You come in. We need to have
See a second.
the crate that you have on you. Alright, so Hyde goes here.
Did it just beep?
Yep, I'm putting them all in their spots that they're supposed to be. Give me a second.
Sounds like the team's coming over, by the way, so you wanna hurry the fuck up.
I'm gonna drop this starter.
Chris, you guys need to put
Take your
yours here.
flight.
Come here. Come here with your crates. Put one of your crates here. And then, yep. And then Nick, yeah, put yours there. Nice. Okay, and then we got Dam.
Ready?
Let's go.
Oh shit.
I can't get in there. Oh, you can.
Yo.
I'm in.
Oh, we
Alright, I'm getting rid of my camera. Yo, what is this?
Oh, rocket fuel! Let me at it! Just keep opening.
Give me the rocket fuel. No.
What?
The Havoc train has arrived at the station. Watch out for the guards while you're looting.
Why do I keep? Am I running the wrong way or something? It's just doors up.
Oh. Play the music from the thing.
Play the music, Nick.
Dude, what is this?
You messed up the beat,
In front of you, Nick.
idiot!
Oh, what the fuck? I just got knocked out.
This place inside out!
Yo, what is
What's
this?
going on?
Oh shit. Yo, when did this turn into a horror game? I can't run either. Dude, this is the sickest Easter egg I've ever seen. Why am I nervous? Dude,
Door's opening soon. Get ready. Stay clear of the door. Clear the mines first. Clear the mines. Get down and defuse them. Wait. Wrong door. My bad. My fault. She's not reviving. They're all...
dude, I thought I was about to die.
I got it! I got the fucking reds! Let's go! I'm so happy! Yo!
Keep the following in mind.
It's right here!
Shoot, loot, then tap the scoop.
Dude, this is wild.
Grab the red, bro. Put it in your fucking safe box. Bro, that 7 hours was well spent, man. Let's fucking go. I'm doing this again. I have to do it again.
What?
Double. It's fucking cold.
Nick, be careful. I'm gonna put a jump in.
I can run anywhere on the map, dude. This is insane.
Just stop piecing people through the
10
floor.
seconds left. Be ready to go.
I actually wonder if you can kill people through the floor though.
No, I wonder if people see you. What if people look up and see you above?
I reached the edge.
I'm 100% doing that again, man. I'm gonna start grinding for the crates again, man.
Dude. Dude. What? That was so cool. Dude, we all got the red. No way. I didn't think I was gonna get it too. That was so cool. Yo, did you guys put it in your collection room? It goes right in the fucking middle.
Yep.
That's
Oh,
so
yeah, we got
dope.
badge as well. We got a little. Now look at the badge.
Fuck, man.
As well.
I've just done all
No
this work.
way.
You guys get free badges.
Yeah,
Damn.
look at the badge, shuffle. What are you assuming?
I got no help,
Yo.
man. I was on my own all day doing this shit.
What? Yo, I'm gonna upgrade it too. It costs 1.3 million to upgrade level 1, and then 4 million to upgrade to level 2. I don't give a fuck. I'm spending the 4 million.
You said it.
Oh shit!
Actually, looks pretty cool. With
It's
the
a
other,
2
like,
million.
You think I get another badge if I do it?
Badge is